everybody, welcome back to BG Farms Adventures. We just got a telephone call and there's a swarm of bees to go collect. It's all exciting. Not to interrupt them too much. Yeah, they're on the way. Just checked the hive I left this morning after going to collect a swarm. So it's not normal that they're on the floor, but whether something's knocked them off during the night. But as soon as I put the hive down this morning to check out the situation, the bees all turned around and decided they were going to go into the hive immediately. So I just, instead of interfering, poking around, I thought, well, I'll just leave the hive here and see what happens. I've just checked them now and there's like a handful of bees left outside, so hopefully the queen's gone inside the hive. Later, when it's got dark, we'll come back down and have a look. Hopefully all the ladies are inside and we can shut the hive up and transport it back in the truck up into the orchard and then open it up, and then in the morning the bees will be able to go in and out of their new home. In a few days time I will go into the hive and try and find the queen. Hopefully it's been a success. The bee there, as you can see, she's doing a little waggle dance, which in the situation they're in is probably telling these lots that are still here that there's a hive a few inches away that they need to go. There's my little mixer. She's shaking a booty. Shaking a booty. Shaking a booty. And as you can see, they are all nearly back in the hive, which is absolutely fantastic. We've just checked the hive again before it got dark and nearly all the bees are inside now, which hopefully means the queen's in there as well and they're all happy. So it's been a success, hasn't it?
Me talk.
Yeah.
Well, all the bees are in the hive. That's successful. See you on the next video.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.